Hey guys, Professor Jamie here. So today we're looking at page 461, number 5, from our beginning algebra text. And this question says, when you have the equation 4x plus 2y equals negative 8, then what is the y-intercept? What is the x-intercept? And graph it using those. Okay? So, anytime it wants us to graph something, we kind of want to start with our equation in the y equals mx plus b format. When we have our equation in that format, the slope-intercept form, the m shows us our slope, and the b shows us our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, that's one of the things we want to know. So let's go ahead and solve this equation for b. I'm sorry, we're going to solve it for y, and that will tell us b. Okay, right now with this 2y is a 4x. We have to get rid of that. So let's undo the 4x from each side. What I'm left with on the left is 2y. On the right, because I want it in mx plus b format, I'm going to put the number with the x first, the negative 4x first, minus the 8. Okay, we're still not solved for y yet. Right now it's multiplied by 2. To undo multiplication, we divide. As long as I do it to every part, it'll be okay. I'm still staying equal. The 2's cancel out. I have y equals negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. X, negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. So my equation becomes y equals negative 2x minus 4. My slope of this line is going to be negative 2. My y-intercept is negative 4. So that answers our first question. Now we need to look at the x-intercept. Well, the x-intercept is when it's on this line right here, the x-axis. We'll go ahead and mark this the y-axis. But when it's on the x-axis, notice that our y will be 0. We're not going up or down any from the origin, which is this spot in the middle. So when y is 0, what is x? Is essentially what it's asking us. So we'll put 0 in for y. Now I need to solve for x. It has a minus 4 with it. I need to get rid of that, so I undo subtracting, which is addition. So I have 4 equals negative 2x. Right now my x is multiplied by a negative 2. I need to undo that, so I divide both sides by a negative 2. And my final answer, these 2's cross out. I'll switch colors so we don't interchange with this guy too much. And 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. So my my x-intercept is negative 2. Now it asks us to plot using these numbers. So the y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis, is negative 4. Here's negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So I can put my first dot there. My x-intercept is negative 2. All right, so on the x-axis, negative 1, negative 2. There's my spot. All right, now we can carefully draw a line that connects these two. And there's the equation of the line for 4x plus 2y equals negative 8. To check your work, remember that right here, we found that our y-intercept was negative 4 and our slope is negative 2. Well, let's just see. Remember, your slope is your rise over your run. All right, so I'm going from this point, I'm rising a negative 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm running a positive 1, 2. Negative 4 over 2 fully reduced is negative 2, so I am good to go. Hope this helps. Have a great day.